Jesus answered and said unto them, This is the work of God, that ye believe on him whom he hath sent. May God bless you. Amen. Tin i suanan nena pathian na tho chu hei hi ani amitir hi ringula atia achanga i suarin hi pathian na tho chu ani lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.